Today, I would like to speak to you about one of the most iconic figures in Indian history, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji, as he was fondly called, was a freedom fighter and a nationalist who played a pivotal role in India's struggle for independence. Born on January 23, 1897, in Cuttack, Netaji was a brilliant student who went on to study at Cambridge University in the UK. However, he left his studies midway to join the Indian National Congress and fight for India's freedom. Netaji was a gifted orator who gave some of the most memorable speeches in Indian history. His speeches were not just powerful, they were also deeply inspiring, urging Indians to join the struggle for freedom and to never give up hope. One of the most famous speeches was delivered on August 14, 1942, at the Haripura Congress session. In this speech, he declared that freedom was India's birthright and urged the people of India to fight for it with all their might. He coined the iconic slogan, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom," which became a rallying cry for Indians who were fighting for independence. Netaji's legacy continues to inspire Indians even today. His courage, determination, and patriotism continue to inspire us to strive for a better India. We must always remember his contributions and sacrifices for our country. In conclusion, I urge all of you to read more about Netaji and his life. Let us all be inspired by his words and actions and work towards making India a better place.